This is to show how loud the little tank engine is. And as you can hear, it's very loud indeed. You can't even hear them have a conversation.
Hello.